Hey traders, welcome to Trade Type Hub Weekly Analysis. Today we are diving deep in latest trends and opportunities in the gold and GBPJPY market. Stay tuned for valuable insights to enhance your trading skills and strategy. So as you can clearly see that I have an 4-hour chart on gold as we are going to do an analysis about market. So here you can clearly see that there is a resistance area right over here. This is the resistance area and this is the support area which I have already marked in the market on 4-hour. As you can clearly see, market has broken this 4-hour resistance area which was pretty much strong, and the market has now rejected this area, or not rejected, market has just overlooked this area and starting to create a new, what you can clearly see that is a new trend line. It's turning resistance into support now going forward. As you know, this is the resistance area before, but market has broken it and it's now became a support area for it. I believe market should reject this area and come down, and after that market we can see a much pump right over here, not exactly over here, but I think so right over here. That's much better as a resistance area. Reason zero, the 4-hour order block over here, as you can clearly see, that's a very big rejection of our market. So I'm hoping to get some rejection from here. Okay. Yeah, so just move my chart to 15 minutes. As you can clearly see that there's a demand area over here. We are looking for buyers, nothing for sales right now, as market is completely bullish over here. Here the big overstructure happened and market never broke the highs of it. As you can clearly see that the highs are never broken over here and market has rejected this area. So what we can expect from market right now is that market should come downside and tap this area. I'm just marking it as a X, so it will be much better for us. Yeah, market is just never broke this high and obviously broke this low. What we are expecting from market right now is to make something like this, which already market has making, because it never broke the highs, and we are expecting something like this. Market should come like this and then it should move up. Reason, this area is pretty much a strong um, what you can say demand area for me right now. Is reasons are, as I have told you before, that the rejection resistance has turned into the support area, and this is the area from where I am expecting. 15 minutes is the time from where I usually trade. So what I'm expecting right now from market is like this. If you are asking what will be the trade, so it will be right below this bottom wick. If you can just look after your spreads and leave the remaining one, and I'm targeting this one. What I'm targeting is the 4 hours high, which I have already told you is the 4-hour high. This is the area which I am targeting right now. So if I get something like this, so I will be targeting something like this. Yeah, this will be my trading. It will be around 475 pips, and this will be something. And I will definitely lock some partial. And if I have to lock some partial, what are the where are the possibilities that I will lock the partial? First one is over here. How I lock the partials, I may tell you, but this is something that I'm looking after it, and I will lock the partials, which is around the trade will be over 1:1. This is how we usually trade. We don't give a much so much trades. We just look for RR at a good RR, so that if you are getting any loss, so it will take just 2 to 3 loss will cover in a one trade, as we have already done in the previous week. So if you can clearly see that the RR is 1.69, and this will be the first TP offer, not second, and we will hold it. So we will not we will not do the break even on the trade. So this is something that I am expecting from market. We are completely bullish on it. Market structure has never broken this high. If it will work before tapping this area, then I will definitely look for this area for sales, because I am expecting something like just give me a sec. Yeah, I'm expecting a market doesn't tap this area, for example, and if it just rejects, so I'm expecting some rejection over here or some retracement from where we can get some good pips over here, around 50 to 60 pips. I'm looking after the market right now, as you can clearly see. But what if market reject this area? Obviously, if the market reject this area, then we are definitely looking for the downside 15-minute demand zone, which is pretty prominent over here. It's again a break of structure happens and market then completely make a bullish. It's just going upside without making any proper retracement. But as you know, we only trade demand zone and supply here. That's why we are pretty much good in this. And this is something I'm looking after. The area which I have marked is not exactly the wicks of the top, but as you can clearly see that it's of uh, this candle, the body of this candle and the bottom of this would be much benefit. If you learn how I make a demand area and supply area, just let me know. I will teach you. There's nothing to worry about. It's not a costly thing, or we will ask you to pay us for that. Absolutely free content for everyone. Whatever you want, just text us on Telegram or any group. We will let you know. So nothing else from there. But what if market reject this area? Obviously, if market reject this area, we will definitely look for demand area from here. We can again look for buys from here. But we have to go for every possibility. But what if market again reject this area too? Then we will definitely look for sales. This is the major area from where I will definitely look for sales, or this will be the major area. If market reject this area, I will definitely look for sales, and my supply area will be, and I will just find some good supply zones. But I am definitely sure about that market should tap this area and then reject over here. And what if market tap this area and reject? What I'm going to show is like we can hold up to 500 pips if we get some good trade over here. What I'm expecting, just take a small lot which you can hold around 60 pips. Yeah, it's just 63 pips, and we are definitely going to target the not exactly this one. I'm going to target this one. Yeah, around 650, just holding it. I will definitely try to hold on a small, very small lot size, that even if I get a loss, I will that will not affect me or my trading. So this is something I'm looking after, because I believe market can reject this area and then it could go down, but all goes to the war and everything. But right now, what I'm looking after the market is this. For our, I've already told you, I'm not going to get on the bigger picture of a weekly analysis or that. Everybody knows that's completely bullish, as there was something happen in the market. I don't know, news happened, or maybe the Russian president has been elected. That is the major issue. That's why the gold has been pumping right now, or the war issues that have been going on in the world in Middle East. So that will also be the issue. But as you know, we only trade on technical analysis, not on the news or anything. So this is something that I'm looking after on a 15-minute demand zone. There are two demand zones that I have already marked. And what if it reject again? Then this is another demand zone which I was expecting but marked. Obviously, we have taken the trade from here and we got a very good 153 pips over here. But I was expecting market to reject over here, and I was going to take some buys from here. But market never tapped this area, and we never got the buy. So what if the market tapped this area? So as you can see, if market has tapped this area, then we have secured around 700 if somebody has opened the lots or anything. So yeah, this is for the goal analysis as market right now. And let's move to GJ. Yeah, so as you can clearly see that we are on GJ and on our 4 hour. This is not exactly a resistance area. I will mark it as a order block or a demand zone, supply zone or order block zone. Reasons are, it's a very big rejection over here and market retreated, and it makes an impulsive move downside. Then market is going in a trend. I'm expecting a rejection from here. I'm not going for sell. I don't know why, but this month is not good for me to take any GJ trades. That's why I'm avoiding it, and we are just focusing on gold. But I am pretty much sure I will be back on it, because it has given me a lot of good pips, as you can clearly see on the Telegram group that we have made around 100 pips every week on this, more than 100 pips usually. So that's a good. I love the GJ, but right now the way market is printing, I'm just avoiding it. So this is something that I can trade GJ on, but I'm avoiding it. Reason that I don't know what exactly the trend line is going to happen, even if it goes. But let's move to some smaller time frame picture, so that will be much easier for you to understand us. Is a breakout structure. Market is moving in a trend line. This is something a supply zone from where we can expect a market to reject, and market is moving. I have not marked that much breakout structure. That the one which were useful for me, I've just marked it. So what I'm expecting is that market should reject this area and broke this trend line. What happens after trend line? What will you trade? I will look after this area. As soon as market broke this area, and I will look after this area. And what if market break this area? Something like this. I will see market as this, and I will definitely look for some supply over here from where I can trade, and obviously then market will be broke. And I'm not risking right now over here, but if I get something like this pattern over here. It broke this. It's what you can say, uh, something. It's just a rejection area. I'm not going with that much confidence, or maybe you can take it as like this. Okay, what if it broke this area? And I would definitely look for sales over here. But mainly I am looking for some pattern over here to create supply over here, something like this, and then market broke this area, and then we get something like this, and then obviously we will look for some good pips over here, hopefully some good thing. Okay, and now we are moving to the forex chart. Let's open the forex chart and let's see what we got in the news. Monday is pretty much nothing for us, as you can clearly see. There's nothing big news. All are the small impact news on USG and everything. On GJ, obviously we are getting something on Tuesday. The climate count change something new. It's the high impact news, and I hope it will affect the market. It's the 7 a.m. in the morning in the London time, so this will definitely impact the market as we are looking after it. And then there's core PPI about USG on 1:30 p.m. and after that there's on 3 p.m. Powell will speak. Definitely I will look after this the market, but I'm not trading it because it's just either you make the money in it or you lose the money in it. It's totally gambling to trade on Powell speaks. It's better to stay away and secure your whatever your volume is or whatever your trading what you can say amount is. Just save it, your capital. We say it capital, just save it because market can affect it. You can get to zero, so I'm avoiding it. I'm not ever trading on news. I will always trade after the news. That's what Powell speaks is out of my league. CPI is coming on Wednesday. Wednesday is going to be highly volatile day. I believe London will be pretty much dead for it. Reasons are CPI news is expecting, and we are getting some good volume on Wednesday. Hopefully, we will trade after the market after the 1:30 p.m. because we are getting some good volume on it. On Thursday, there is an unemployment only news and nothing else on the high impact. There is a medium impact on JPY, and we will look after that. But we will see what market brings to us. And there's also a FOMC member speaking. There's also a medium impact. So, yeah, only Wednesday is the most important day for us because there will be a CPI meeting. Just avoid the Tuesday Fed power. Hopefully, don't sit on the market and look after the charts. I believe don't look if you are a proper trader. This is not something that you will trade, and you will look after the CPI what it brings to us. And yeah, hopefully we get something after the news. So yeah, this is something which we will look after the market. And yeah, so right now don't forget to connect with us on Telegram, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok for more updates, signals, and educational content. Let's grow as a trading community. Hopefully I will see you on Monday. Take care. Bye bye.